Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pumpkin cupcakes with some cream cheese frosting swirled on top. And I was just trying to think of what's the perfect fall recipe. And so I thought of pumpkin muffins, but then I was like, I don't know, muffins, should I not? And then I thought of cream cheese frosting. And then I was like, no, I should do pumpkin cupcakes with cream cheese frosting on top. So that's what we're going to be making today. And I think it's perfect for fall, and it's just a really simple recipe. So I think it's great for beginners, and yeah, it's perfect for this time of year, and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get started.
For the cupcakes, you'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 1/2 cup of canola or vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, in a large mixing bowl, pour in your flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and salt, and then whisk that all together and then set that aside. Now, in a separate bowl, mix together your pumpkin puree, oil, brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract until it's fully combined. Now just add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix that together until it's fully combined. Now just scoop your batter into the cupcake tray. Now you can bake your cupcakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or if you stick a toothpick in and the toothpick comes out clean, that's how you know your cupcakes are done. So now to make the cream cheese frosting, you'll need 1 8-ounce package brick-style cream cheese softened, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first, using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, I am adding the cream cheese and the butter, and then I'm just beating that together until they are smooth. Now just add your powdered sugar and the vanilla and mix that until it's fully combined. So now that my cupcakes have cooled down, I now put my frosting into a piping bag with an open star tip, and now I'm just piping on the frosting. And these are the beautiful finished pumpkin cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. I love how these turned out, and I think this is just perfect for the fall season and Thanksgiving.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post new videos every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter for some more awesome stuff. And yeah, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!